Hey everyone, it's Lily with Cherry Tree Beads. Today I'm going to be doing a video that covers our basic tools if you're just starting out beading. You can check out our website under the tools category and you're going to see all of these on there. For starters, we've got a round nose plier. These are essential. They're going to be really great when you're making wire loops. They're also great for holding on to things like jump rings and the brass components that we carry. They act as almost a second pair of hands when you're opening and closing things. Another pair of pliers that we carry are going to be chain nose. These ones are a little sharper on the edge and they're tapered. So you can use those to open and close the jump rings, to smash down round crimp beads, and also to kind of open up those components and put things together. A third pair of pliers are going to be flat nose. There's a little bit more surface area on these ones, so you can hold bigger components, and it just helps you to manipulate those. A must-have for a beginning beader are some nipper tools. These are going to be used to cut wire as well as chain. They hold up and cut your stainless steel chain as well as the brass chain that we carry. I've got this same pair and I've used them for about 2 years, so they're very durable. These scissors are great to use with our silk cord, our nylon cord, and our waxed poly cord. You're going to use that cord when you're making pearl necklaces or stringing malas. Next, we've got a pair of step bail pliers. These ones are going to have 6 different sizes, and they're going to keep things really consistent for you. You can make those wire loops on those, and it's going to be the same the whole way through. I use them a lot when I'm making my homemade chain. I'll show you a video on making that later. You can also use these when you're making jump rings, and it's going to keep them all the same size. These guys are going to be knotting pliers. When you're making the pearl necklaces or malas or stringing beads where you're going to be tying knots, they come in handy to pull that knot as flush to the bead as you can get it. It's going to keep everything looking really clean. These guys are going to be a crimping tool. You need to use these when you're using crimp tubes. They're going to have 2 separate indents right here. The closest one to the handle is going to create a U shape in your crimp bead. That's going to separate the 2 strings of wire, and then the one closest to the tip is going to smash that together. We'll show you that more in depth when we do our basic beading video. These are all the tools that you'll need when you start out beading. You can find all of these tools in our showroom, which is located in East Asheville, North Carolina, or on our website at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks for tuning in.